Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Well, it's the morning of, or morning after, the big storm. And as you can see, we're up to our asses in snow. We got all the snow back. I'll take you out here. My son's cleaning this off, but as you can see, the end of the driveway here, that's a lot. They've been up all night clearing the roads. The roads look really good. Sidewalks are done. But we've almost got back the amount of snow that we had before a big thaw last week. What a snowbank. Oh, that wind's strong today. Whew. Well, we were watching the weather reports, and much to my surprise, we were supposed to go away tomorrow, but now that's been canceled due to the fact that we're having another 10 inches of snow is expected here where I live. Then where I'm going, the snow is also more snow. There you go. Look at that. That's into my garage. That is a snowdrift. Let me just show you where. So there's my driveway, and that's the amount of snow that blew in here yesterday. The car is buried. My escape is buried. There. Oh, that's cold. I don't know if you can see it, but it's starting to snow again. Everybody's scurrying about trying to get some, I guess, what they need in for the next round. So I just thought I would give everybody an update. And we've only, what is this, February 4th. So we still got, first day of spring is March 21st. So we still got a long ways away. The groundhog called for 6 more weeks of winter. So no early spring. But the groundhog in Nova Scotia, he called up for early spring. So let's hope the groundhog in Nova Scotia is calling for all of Canada. And if you don't know what I'm talking about by the groundhog calling for the first day of spring or early spring or late winter, Google it. Groundhog Day. Not the movie, but Groundhog Day. And you'll see that there's a groundhog in the US. I think it's called Pixitani Phil. And then we have one up here in Ontario, Wyatt and Willie. And they have one in Nova Scotia. I forget that groundhog's name. But every year they have the Groundhog Day, February 2nd. So if the groundhog sees his shadow, I think 6 more weeks of winter. If the groundhog doesn't see a shadow, I think it's an early spring, or vice versa. Anyways, take care. I'm doing a live stream this afternoon, as long as I can get it working right. So we'll talk to you later. Bye for now.